guys, it's Bella and welcome to Beauty on a Budget, and the third of my Saturday extras doing different eye makeup looks and different palettes that you'd requested, that you said you liked my eyes looking like and you would like a tutorial. So this is the third one. Now it was meant to be the second one, but I stuck the extra one in last week for St. Patrick's Day, the green one, so this turned out to be the third one. And today quite a few of you have spoken about this look or made some lovely comments about this look. And this is the W7 Delicious palette. And it's laid out very much like another palette we know. The colours aren't listed on this one, or they probably were on a sheet on top, and as per normal, I've lost them. So what I will do is I will point to each one as I'm doing it. And this is the look I came up with. Quite bold, but nice for a night out. And it's also nice if you're toning it in with those sort of colours, like the top that I've got on today. Okay, sorry guys, my camera cut out. So if you like this look, like to see how I do it, carry on watching me and I'll see you in a minute, okay? So we'll get started. Now, you might think today, what is she doing? I'm going to apply it maybe different to what I usually do. I just want to share with you different ways that you can kind of put eyeshadow on, really. So, as I said, I've got all my base on and everything. As I always do have, I'll list everything below what I've got on. And I've also got my creme brulee on my eye. You know, started on my eyelids, what I always do. Well, all over my eye area. Now, I'm going to start with this one here. You might be thinking, oh my goodness, that's a bright one to start with. Let me tell you why. You'll see as I go along, there's a method in my madness. I'm starting on the lid, and I know that's unusual to put the dark on the lid, but we will see as we go along that this will work. So we're going, I'm just looking in the monitor, guys. A little bit more. You can get a little bit of fallout with these. Nothing major, but you certainly can. So we're going all over the eyelid with that colour, which may seem a little unusual. What we're going to do then is we're going to work that in with a couple of clean brushes, and we're going up, we're working it off of the eyebrow and making sure it's all well blended. A little bit more if we need to. And going up slightly so we bring that colour up at the end. The most important thing, well, with anything, isn't it, is the blending, guys, you know, but particularly when you're working with very prominent colour. So we'll do that one. Blending, and then I'm going to get another brush. And I'm going to blend even more so that the pink practically disappears into the creme brulee that I've already put on. I'm going to finish that, do the other eye, and I'll be back. Okay, so that's both eyes done. Looking a bit scary at the moment. Now I'm going to take the darker of the reds here, not terribly darker, but it is a wee bit. I'm going to put that on a brush like this, a little round brush. Tap off the excess. And I'm going to go right in that corner there. Round stroke with the brush, and I'm just going to come back and forth and back and forth. Not taking it any higher, just back and forth. Like that, and then down very slightly into the centre, like that. And then we want to blend that well out again. And what I'm going to do this time is blend it out with my big brush that I like to use and blend those together. Try not to come too much onto the eyelid, but certainly we want one colour blended into the other one, and most definitely around this area. We definitely want that blended well. So I shall continue with that, be back again. Okay, so when we finish that part, blending those both in, we want to mute those out a little bit. I'm going to take this second colour here, this brush like this, and I'm just going to go just on that border, up to the eyebrow, but just that border. So that's really faded out. Next, we're going to take a little thin brush. We're going to take the first shade of pink, not the very dark one, this one here. Very, very close to the lashes, as I always say. Just want to hue a colour there. Just very close to the lashes. That's why I use a very, very little pointy brush like that. That's that. And then the very last thing I do is I'm going to take this one here. Or should I take the pink? No, I'm going to take this one here, which is a champagne-y colour. Put a little bit on a flat brush, and I'm just going to place this on the lid. Centre to the corner, and more or less 3/4 of the way along. See where I'm finishing, guys? Just the lid. Definitely nowhere else. A bit more on the lid. Into the corner. And then my usual trick with my finger. Just blend that in. And the same the other side. I really like this palette because you can do the pink look, which is obviously pink and plummy that I'm using today, and it's quite brave really. And I would say going out look, I don't think I'd do this for every day. I do like it, I like it very much, but I think it's a bolder going out look really, for me. But you could do it in the same way that you could use the browns, as I'm using the pinks today, and then you could do the lid with the gold. So, you know, it's pretty versatile, or you could just do an ordinary, everyday colours. It's quite a versatile palette, really. So that's that. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back. Okay, so did you like that? It's bold, isn't it? It's very brave. But it's nice if you're wearing these sort of colours because it all tones in. I quite like the look. It's not an everyday look for me. You know, this is more of a going out look for me. But it is nice and I do like it. It's a brave look, but I like it. So I hope you like it too, and quite a few of you did, because quite a few of you remarked, so that's why I wanted to do it for you. So I will see you again on Tuesday. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing yet. But you have a good rest of the weekend. You take care of yourselves. And be good. See you Tuesday. Bye. Bye.